Hello and welcome to the introduction to Vlookup function in Excel. Vlookup function is one of the lookup and reference functions in Excel when we need to find the things in a table or a range by row. Vlookup stands for vertical lookup. We have a similar function in Excel called Lookup that we'll discuss later. In its simplest form, a Vlookup function says we have to figure out the range in which we have to look up upon, the value that we need to find corresponding to that particular value using which we are looking up upon, and the result whether it should be exact match or no. So for example, we have these two tables A and B. Now corresponding to cross, we have cross in table A. Corresponding to diamond, we have heart. Corresponding to 1 to 3, we have the value 99 in table A. Similarly, in table B, corresponding to cross, we have tick mark. Corresponding to spades, I don't know what do we call it, we have this leaf. Corresponding to 1 to 1, we have 79. Now come here to the table C. In this table, corresponding to this value X, we are looking up in table A and we are figuring out that what is the value corresponding to X in table A. The answer is X. That's why we are populating this value X from table A over here. Similarly in table B, corresponding to X, we have tick mark. So we are populating this over here. In the second row we have diamond. So we'll look for this diamond in table A in this range. And corresponding to this diamond, we are finding a heart. This heart will get populated to this table over here. Similarly, corresponding to this heart, we have this sign in table B, which will be populated here. Now corresponding to 1 to 3, what do we have in table A? The value 99. That is the reason the value 99 will get populated over here. Corresponding to 1 to 1, the value that we have in table B or the range B is 79. So we'll populate 79 over here. Now this is just a utility of Vlookup. Now let's see how do we implement it. Have a look at this table. In this table we have employee ID, first name, last name, manager ID and salary. Corresponding to employee ID 102, the salary is 17,000. Corresponding to employee ID 145, the salary is 14,000. Corresponding to employee ID 146, the salary is 1,3500. Now look at some other table in the same sheet, or I would say another range in the same sheet. In this range, we have employee ID and salary. The values of salary are not populated. So to sum up, we just have employee IDs and we want to populate salaries corresponding to these employee IDs in this table. The solution to this will be, we are going to look upon the first table for given employee IDs and find out the salaries from there corresponding to those employee IDs. Let me paste it here. So to start with, just put equal to sign and then write Vlookup. Then the value which we want to look into. So the value that we want to look for in that range is the employee ID, which is 102. Now select the range in which we want to look. We want to look in this complete range for employee ID 102, and wherever employee ID 102 is found, we want to fetch out the salary, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth column of this table, and we want those values to be exact match. That's why false. And here we go. Now in Excel we have this functionality where we can drag down, and this formula will get applied to each one of them. As you are seeing, we are referring to H2 over here, and in this we are referring to H3, and so on. So that's how we were able to find out the salaries corresponding to all the given employee IDs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to try Lookup on your own. Do post if you have any questions in the comments. Thank you. Bye.